realm of indoor facility management, indoor atrium lifts stand out as essential tools for simplifying maintenance tasks that require working at height. Their compact design and versatility make them ideal for accessing hard-to-reach areas safely and efficiently. This video explores 5 routine maintenance tasks that Atrium lifts make significantly easier, helping you maintain high standards of cleanliness, safety, and efficiency in your facility. Boom lift rental for painting. 1. High ceiling cleaning with indoor Atrium lift. High ceilings can be stunning architectural features, but when it comes to cleaning them, the appeal quickly fades. Dust and cobwebs love to settle in these lofty spots, turning what should be an impressive view into an eyesore. Trying to clean them with traditional ladders is not only awkward but also risky. Imagine balancing on a ladder, stretching to reach the farthest corners. One wrong move, and you could end up on the floor, or worse. Scaffolding isn't much better. It's cumbersome to set up and move around, not to mention it takes up a lot of space. Indoor Atrium lift changed the game entirely. With their ability to extend and provide a stable platform, they make reaching high ceilings straightforward and secure. You can glide up to the highest points effortlessly and clean thoroughly without the precarious balancing act. Not only does this make the process faster, but it also significantly reduces the risk of accidents. Plus, with a more thorough clean, you maintain a higher standard of hygiene and aesthetics in your facility. 2. Light bulb replacement. Replacing light bulbs at home is a simple enough task, but scale that up to a commercial or industrial setting, and it becomes a whole different beast. High ceilings mean your standard stepladder won't cut it. You might need to haul out a cumbersome extension ladder, or worse, deal with scaffolding. This makes the job not only time-consuming but also potentially hazardous. It's all too easy to lose your balance while trying to juggle a bulb in one hand and the fixture in the other. Enter the indoor Atrium lift, turning what used to be a nerve-wracking exercise into a smooth operation. With a lift, you can reach even the highest fixtures with ease and stability. The platform allows you to work with both hands free, making it easier to remove the old bulb and install the new one. This doesn't just make the job safer, it also makes it quicker, meaning less disruption in your building's lighting and overall functionality. 3. HVAC maintenance. Atrium lift. HVAC systems are the unsung heroes of indoor comfort, but they are often tucked away in the least accessible places. Whether perched high above ground level or squeezed into awkward nooks, accessing these units for maintenance is a real challenge. Ladders don't always offer the reach you need, and setting up scaffolding every time there's a routine check or minor repair is impractical. Plus, there's the added danger of working around electrical components in a precarious position. Indoor Atrium lifts make HVAC maintenance a breeze. With their extended reach and mobility, you can easily access high-mounted units or navigate around tight spaces. This means you can perform thorough inspections, clean components, and make necessary repairs without the hassle of complicated setups or safety concerns. Ultimately, this leads to better performing HVAC systems, which translates to improved comfort and energy efficiency in your building. 4. Indoor painting. Painting high walls or ceilings is not just about getting the right color on the surface, it's about reaching those heights safely and applying the paint evenly. Using ladders or scaffolding can be a risky and exhausting endeavor. Indoor Atrium lift. You have to constantly reposition your setup, balance on narrow steps, and handle paint tools, which can easily lead to spills, drips, or even falls. Indoor Atrium lifts transform the painting process into something much more manageable. With a lift, you have a stable, spacious platform that can be raised to the exact height you need. This allows for smooth, even strokes, and lets you move freely without worrying about losing your balance. The result? A professional quality paint job completed in a fraction of the time, with far less risk of accidents or mishaps. 5. Ductwork inspections and repairs with indoor Atrium lifts. ductwork is essential for proper ventilation and air quality, but inspecting and repairing ducts can be a daunting task. Often situated high up or in hard-to-reach places, getting to them typically involves a lot of clambering up ladders or navigating scaffolding. This not only makes the task physically demanding but also increases the risk of falls or inadequate inspections because of difficult access. With an indoor atrium lift, you can carry out ductwork inspections and repairs more effectively and safely. The lift allows you to get up close and personal with ducts, making it easier to spot issues and carry out necessary repairs without the strain of awkward positions or unsafe balancing acts. This ensures that ducts are maintained properly, improving air quality and energy efficiency in your building. Your reach is our priority at Innovative Reach. We believe in redefining limits and pushing boundaries. So why wait? Reach out to us today at 319-900-5995 or contact us online. Step into the future with Innovative Reach and redefine efficiency in your operations. In the world of vertical access, we are your ally, your partner, helping you ascend to new heights of success.